Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning everyone. I'm glad to see you. First, let me introduce myself and my partner. We are from Group 6. I'm Intan Krisalivia as a moderator and first speaker, and my partner is Herlina Laila as the last speaker. In this video, we will discuss about intensive verb and complex-transitive verb. Let's begin. Intensive verb. Intensive verb, sometimes referred to as relational, linking, or copular, belong to a small group which include verbs like be, most commonly, seem, appear, become, look, and so on. What these verbs have in common is that what follows the verb in a sentence relates back to what preceded the verb. For example, Sally became a doctor. In this sentence, consists of subject, predicate, subject complement, which Sally as a subject, became as a predicate, a doctor as a subject complement. And the second one, Sue seems unhappy. Same as the first sentence, Sue as a subject, seem as a predicate, unhappy as a subject complement. The rules of intensive verb, VP or verb phrase, consists of intensive verb plus SC or subject complement. Subject complement consists of NP or noun phrase, or PP or prepositional phrase, or AP or adjective phrase. Example, Sue seems unhappy. The rules of adjective phrase or AP. AP or adjective phrase is consists of adverb phrase plus A or adjective. Function is SC or subject complement. Example, Sue seems unhappy. This is tree diagram of adjective phrase, which the sentence is Sue seems unhappy. So the first things when you have to do when you want to make tree diagrams of adjective phrase, put S that means sentence. Then, as we know, the first structure rules in English that the sentence minimally consists of noun phrase or NP and also verb phrase or VP. Like this, tree diagram which has NP or noun phrase and also VP or verb phrase. And then we specify NP or noun phrase into N or noun as in Sue. We go to VP. In here, we divided VP into two parts, is V or verb and AP or adjective phrase. So, V or verb as in seems and AP or adjective phrase into A or adjective as in unhappy. So, the function of the sentence is Sue as a subject, seems as a predicate, unhappy is a subject complement. The rules of prepositional phrase or PP. PP or prepositional phrase is consists of P or prepositional plus NP or noun phrase. Function is SC or subject complement. Example, Sally looked up the chimney. Tree diagram of prepositional phrase or PP. The sentence is Sally looked up the chimney. It is similar with the example before. Put S as a sentence and then we divide it into two parts. The first is NP or noun phrase and the second one is VP or verb phrase. And then we specify NP or noun phrase into N or noun, as in Sally. Then we go to VP or verb phrase. In here we divide it into two parts. The first is V or verb and PP or prepositional phrase. So V or verb as in look. And then PP or prepositional phrase, we specified it into P or prepositional and NP or noun phrase. So P as in up and NP we specified it into that or determiner as in the, and N or noun as in chimney. So the function of the sentence is Sally as a subject, look as a predicate, up the chimney as a subject complement. Next, my partner Laila. Time is yours.
Thank you for moderator. Okay guys, I am Herlina Laila. I want to explain about complex-transitive verb. Another class of verb to a verb with a complement is called complex-transitive. This type of verb, the complement relates to the object, not the subject. The complement is therefore an object complement, and the shorthand version is ocean. And then complex-transitive verb, they look like they have two objects but adjective differently. There are direct object and object complement. For example, the voters elect Mary president. The voters is subject, elect is the predicate, Mary is the direct object, president is object complement. Direct object can be found by asking who or what about action verb. So guys, to identify the direct object of this sentence, we will make the question first. The question is, the voters elected president to whom? The answer is Mary. So, Mary is a direct object. And then object complement. An object complement is a word of a group of the words can complement or modifies the direct object of a verb. So, why is a president is the object complement? The answer is because president is provide information about who Mary is. And then the rules complex-transitive verb. There are have verb phrase consists of complex-transitive verb plus direct object plus object complement. And then direct object consists of noun phrase. And then object complement consists of noun phrase or preposition phrase or adjective phrase. Example of noun phrase: Kate taught John a fall. And then example of preposition phrase: Carol put the car in the garage. And the last example of adjective phrase is John made Kate angry. Three diagram of noun phrase. For example, Kate taught John a fall. Kate is a noun phrase or subject. Taught is the verb phrase or predicate. John is a noun phrase or a direct object. A fall is the noun phrase or object complement. And then in the case sentence, why John is John as the direct object? Because we make a question first. The question is, who is Kate taught a fall? And the answer is John. So John is a direct object. And then a vowel is an object complement because a vowel is a description information about John. The rules of adjective phrase. Adjective phrase consists of adverb phrase plus adjective, function, object complement. 3 diagram of adjective phrase. For example, John made Kate angry. John is the noun phrase or subject. Made is the predicate or the verb phrase. And Kate is the noun phrase or direct object. And angry is the adjective phrase or object complement. Direct object. John made angry for who? The answer is the Kate. So Kate is the direct object and the object complement. Why angry is the object complement? Because angry is the modifiers of direct object Kate, providing descriptive information about this direct object. The rules of prepositional phrase. Prepositional phrase consists of prepositional plus noun phrase, function, object. 3 diagram of prepositional phrase. The example, Carol put the car in the garage. Carol is a noun phrase or a subject. Put is the verb phrase or the predicate. The car is the noun phrase or direct object. In is the prepositional phrase. The carrot is the noun phrase. So, in the carrot is object complement. So guys, in this case sentence, where is the direct object? Yeah, the direct object is the car. Because what is Carol put in carrot? The answer is the car. So the car is a direct object. And then why in the carrot as the object complement? Because in the carrot providing information about the direct object or the car.
Okay, thank you, Laila. So, guys, that an explanation about intensive verb and complex transitive verb. We hope you understand and see you in the syntax group. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.